Guys, big changes have been announced to the Express Entry system of Canada immigration. So if you are applying under Express Entry, PNP, this particular update is very important to you because this really talks about the invitation to apply. Please be tuned till the end. We are discussing this particular update in detail. Guys, welcome back once again. My name is Sahil and I'm a regulated Canadian immigration consultant and I practice in Brampton, Ontario. My office is there, but right now I'm traveling to India. As you can see, right now I'm presently making this video in India. So guys, before we start this important video, I would request you to kindly hit the subscribe button and the bell icon because we talk a lot about Canadian immigration and this channel is all about the latest updates, news and program updates pertaining to your Canadian immigration journey. So if you are an aspirant, then hit the button and follow the journey. Guys, we have an important update for you and IRCC on June 29th, 2021 announced this particular update to the Express Entry system of application for Canada permanent residents. What the update exactly is that from now onwards, once you get an invitation to apply under the Express Entry system, you get 60 days only to submit all the documents and the information to in order to move forward with your invitation to apply. Now what happened earlier was during the pandemic, the IRCC had raised the bar again from 60 days to 90 days and it continued for the entire period of the pandemic. But as of yesterday, today is the June 30th, as of yesterday, which is June 29th, IRCC says that going forward, if you get an invitation to apply, the time period to submit the documents will be reduced to 60 days. Please remember and please note that if you have received an invitation prior to June 29th, okay, then this update does not apply to you. Okay, but if you receive an invitation after June 29th, this update, this timeline of 60 days will apply to you. Earlier it was 90 days. So going forward, please make sure that you make all the arrangements in terms of getting your medical, your police records and everything. The purpose behind reducing the time limit by IRCC, as they mention it on the website, is that they believe that due to the pandemic, people were facing a lot of delays. Now things have slowly, gradually started moving to, resuming to normal pace. Also, IRCC says that they need to meet the deadline or the target, the annual target of their particular application system, for which giving 90 days is a sort of a hindrance. So that is why they want to reduce the time in order to submit the application, which is now 60 days, and then they will try and move forward with the applications in a much more quicker way. Guys, if you look at it from another angle, I think this is a positive indication where you at least are assured that IRCC thinks or IRCC believes that life post pandemic or life at least after the second wave is now back to normal, and we can at least expect some quicker turnarounds on FSW draws or probably applications which have been stuck in the past. So all of that is going to happen, and 60 days going forward is what I personally believe is where some action should happen. Okay, now there is no credible background to this statement, but yes, what we can do is only hope that IRCC resumes all this pace to normal and we see more and more draws for FSW as well. Guys, that's it for today, and thanks for tuning in. And once again, if you would like to speak to me personally, please feel free to book a consultation. The link is in the description box. I would be more than happy to speak to you. It was lovely chatting with you, and I really hope to see you soon in Canada. All the best.